This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.